Kapod wang'yo mago mag siasa duol mar Gavanas mapacho ka koro pingo mokalo chenro mar medo kaunti kata duoko chien nyaka bilos ywaruok mag kiew ma osebedo ka chende kind kauntis bura. Gavanas go kano otelne gi jakom margi Anne Waiguru to ne paro no gi sani onge tiende ka bende gikwayo mana kaka omenda modhuro nyalo chopo ne tend loch gwenge machalo dongruok. Gavanas olose nyim komiti matawo twak mar thik Bomas of Kenya. Chenro mar winjo pach oganda biro rumo tich ariyo mar jumani kapok komitino oloso report makamano.
So far, I think there are proposals for almost over 10 counties. I think looking at some of you here, you are affected by that proposal. I think Wajir Governor, a team from Wajir came. Governor Bungoma, there's a team from Bungoma. And about 10 of you are affected by that. We wanted to know your views on this issue.
The county boundaries now appear ambiguous. It is a contradiction to start talking about other things before you define the county boundaries.
We first fix the existing county boundaries before we even begin the question of delimiting.
Yes.
To new additional ones or reducing.
There is no baby, so where would you get the other baby from? It's a simple thing.
Borrowing powers by the county governments. We recognize that Article 212 of the Constitution allows the county government to borrow only if the national government guarantees the loan and the same is approved by the county assembly. The public finance management sets the debt ceiling for the country. While we note that the policy direction and the global best practice is to have a debt anchor as a percentage of gross domestic product in present value terms as opposed to existing debt ceiling of 10 trillion, there is need to ensure that borrowing by the national government does not prejudice borrowing by the county government.